everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 551 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out my second ever Jeffree Star Cosmetics product. This is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Triggered. So I got this as part of my summer mystery box. So if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. And oh my gosh, when I took this out of the box, I was so excited. Let me show you the packaging on this. It is amazing. Look at how sparkly and beautiful this is. It really is one of the most beautiful pieces I've ever seen. I just can't get over that sparkle, but it's smooth. There's no sparkle texture to it. But so a little bit about this product. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. Shake before use. It's long-lasting matte finish and it retails for $18. But so when I was looking this up online, it's part of the holiday 2018 collection. So this is definitely an older product and it's limited edition. So once they sell out of it, they're not going to be making any more, which is kind of exciting for me because now I have one color that's like a staple shade in the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick collection, and I have a limited edition version. So let me go ahead and start out by swatching this. So definitely the shade is a surprise compared to how it looks in the packaging here, because this is a very deep plum shade. And it's interesting because when I swatch it, it doesn't show any glitter to it. But I'm interested to see if when I apply it to my lips, that glitter will actually show up, because this does have glitter in it and it's supposed to have a bit of a glitter finish. So I'm interested to see if that actually shows. So now I'm just gonna go right ahead and apply it to my lips. So the applicator on this, it's a doe foot, but it's got a slight bend to it and it's rather large, so it's a little bit difficult for me to apply this super precisely. Okay, this is so crazy pigmented. I just applied such a thin layer and look at that full opaque color and how dark that color is. It's amazing that it can be this dark after just one thin layer. So on my lips, it looks like a deep purple shade, but it is so dark that it almost comes off as black. And so this is like one of those, what do they call those? Kind of like transformative lip products that once I actually am rubbing my lips together, the glitter is coming out. And it's got gold glitter, which is very tiny little shimmer speckles, but they look really pretty. So I'm loving this glitter finish, but it's not giving any glittery texture. There's no grittiness to it. And it's dried down and it feels the slightest bit sticky, but still very comfortable on my lips. And oh my gosh, my lips were extra dry today before applying this, but still the color looks so even. It's not clinging to any dry patches. So I knew that I loved the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick formula, but this one with that glitter finish, oh, I love it even more than the regular matte finish. And this shade, I actually feel like it looks pretty good with my skin tone. Like, this is a color that I would love to wear out. It definitely needs a certain occasion for my lifestyle for me to wear this color out, but I would love to. I'm actually feeling pretty confident in this shade and I would love to rock this. Now let's do a kiss test and see if there's any transfer. There's like a slight hint of transfer. So just barely, a little bit. I feel like from that dark color you can kind of see the shape of the lips, but that's not bad. Let's see. Still completely intact. So I really love how long lasting this formula is. I really do feel like this is a perfect formula, which is what I would expect from Jeffree Star, but it just makes me want to try out all of the different colors, especially shades that I could wear on a daily basis, because now I have two really fun festive shades for special occasions. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite kind of neutral, daytime, easy to wear Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick shades are, so then I can pick those up, and I would love to get some recommendations. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.